Your cleaning business runs on tight schedules, rotating crews, and jobs all over town. So payroll is way more complicated than just, paying people every 2 weeks. Mistakes don't just upset your cleaners, right? They can also trigger fines, audits, or letters from the IRS and state agencies, which is the last thing that you need when you're already juggling customers and crews. So by the end of this video here, you'll know exactly which payroll service is the best fit for your cleaning business so you can pay your team with confidence and stay out of trouble. And if you've ever wondered, whether you're accidentally doing payroll wrong, well, stick around because some of what you're about to learn here might surprise you. Running payroll for a cleaning business is just different, right? Because your people usually aren't sitting at desks. They're out at client locations, working out hours, and often getting paid hourly or per job. That means that you're dealing with different things like variable schedules, overtime, travel time, and maybe even different pay rates for residential versus commercial jobs. On top of all that, you might have a mix of full-time employees, part-timers, and people that you think are contractors, but the IRS might not agree with. That's where the risk kicks in, right? You mess up your taxes, misclassify workers, or mishandle overtime, and you could end up owing back pay, penalties, and interest. Choosing the right payroll system isn't just a nice to have. It's what keeps your team happy and your business on the right side of the law. And once you see what the top options can actually do for a cleaning business, well, you'll probably never want to go back to spreadsheets ever again. That all said, I want to be clear here. So in this video, I am going to go through all of the top 3 payroll platforms in depth and answer why each one is ranked as it is. But if you're in a hurry and you just want to create a free account to test out the top recommended industry leading payroll platform, just go ahead and click this link right up here, which will lead you to it with the absolute best pricing offer that we can find. All right, so that said, let's go ahead and move on to what many would argue is the absolute best overall payroll platform for cleaning businesses specifically. Now, for most cleaning businesses, Gusto is the best overall payroll solution because it really strikes a really nice balance between ease of use, smart features, and price. It's great if you run a small to mid-sized cleaning company with a team of W-2 employees and maybe a few part-time workers, and you want something that, just works, right? Without adding, having to become a payroll expert in the process. Gusto automatically calculates and files payroll taxes, which is huge for staying compliant when you've got people that are, clocking different hours week to week across multiple job sites. Now, a big reason that cleaning business owners tend to love Gusto is a really clean, simple dashboard and the way that it really walks you through payroll step by step. So even if you're doing this after a long day of estimates and walkthroughs, well, you're less likely to make a mistake. And another strength for cleaning companies is how well Gusto handles things like, direct deposit, onboarding new employees, and offering benefits as you grow. So you can look way more professional and attract better cleaners. Now, one limitation is that if you're running a very large operation with complicated union rules, lots of locations or super advanced reporting needs, well, you might eventually outgrow Gusto and need something that's, a little bit more enterprise level. Pricing is typically in the range of a base monthly fee plus a per employee charge, which usually works well for small businesses that are, adding staff slowly over time. If at any time during this video you want to check out Gusto for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if Gusto sounds good, but you're, kind of wondering whether there's just something that's more bare bones or, budget friendly, well, the next option might be exactly what you've been looking for. Sure, Payroll is a solid choice if you run a smaller cleaning business or, you're just very price conscious and want something that covers the essentials without a bunch of, extra bells and whistles that you may never use anyway. It's especially good if you're just starting out with a small crew, maybe, a handful of employees, and you just want to keep costs predictable while still automating taxes and compliance. Now, cleaning business owners, they tend to really appreciate that, Sure Payroll, they focus on core payroll features like automatic tax calculations, direct deposit, and basic reports without overwhelming you with all the complicated add-ons. Now, if you're the kind of owner who, does everything yourself, quotes, scheduling, customer service, well, having a simple, affordable payroll solution can be a huge relief. Now, for cleaning businesses, one of its strengths is that it can still handle different pay schedules and hourly workers, which fits well with fluctuating cleaning jobs and varying hours. Now, the trade-off is that it may not feel as modern or feature-rich as something like Gusto, especially when it comes to employee self-service, advanced HR features, or benefit integrations. Pricing is generally very competitive and attractive if you're trying to keep software costs low while still avoiding payroll mistakes. Now, if you want to check out Sure Payroll for yourself, there is a link in the description below, which will actually lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're thinking, well, this is helpful, but my cleaning business is growing and I do need something that can scale with more crews, more jobs, and more complexity, well, that's where the next option really starts to stand out. OnPay is a great fit for cleaning businesses that are growing, adding more employees, or dealing with more complex payroll situations without wanting an overly complicated system. Now, if you're managing multiple crews, different pay rates for different jobs, or a mix of hourly and salaried workers, OnPay handles that complexity really well while still staying easy to use. Now, cleaning business owners, they often like OnPay because it combines strong payroll automation with built-in compliance features, so taxes, filings, and reports are handled correctly as your business scales. Now, for a busy cleaning company, one of OnPay's biggest strengths is how well it handles hourly employees, multiple pay rates, and compliance, which is critical when your labor costs can change week to week. Now, it also includes features like direct deposit, employee self-service, and solid reporting, so you can clearly see where your payroll dollars are going as you grow. Pricing is pretty straightforward as well and predictable, which helps when you're budgeting for expansion and new hires. Now, if you want to check out OnPay for yourself, the link for them is also in the description, and that'll entitle you to your first month being free. And once you see how OnPay works behind the scenes, well, you'll better understand what separates a basic payroll tool from one that's actually built for growing service businesses, which leads perfectly into the next section here. Okay, so when you're choosing payroll software for a cleaning business, you want to think beyond, can it cut checks, and focus on how it fits your day-to-day reality. First, look for strong support for hourly employees and variable schedules, because your cleaners may not work the same number of hours each week, and you need accurate tracking for overtime and labor costs. Second, make sure that the software has solid tax automation and compliance features, including automatic tax filings and reminders, so that you're not stuck trying to keep up with the IRS and state deadlines on your own. A good system should help you avoid underpayment, overpayment, and miscalculated withholdings as well. Third, think about time tracking and how your cleaners clock in and out. Ideally, your payroll system should integrate with a time tracking tool or include one, so that you're not manually typing in hours from paper timesheets at the end of the week. And fourth, consider how easy it is to onboard new cleaners and pay them consistently. Employee self-service portals, direct deposit, and clear pay stubs go a long way in building trust and reducing the, hey, did I get paid right type of messages. Finally, pay attention to scalability and support. So if you plan to grow your cleaning business, you want software that can handle more employees, more locations, and more complex needs without forcing you to start over with a whole new system. Now, when you weigh these factors, it becomes much easier to see which payroll platform is truly built for the way that your cleaning business operates. But at the end of the day, Gusto really does stand out as the best overall option for most cleaning businesses out there, because it combines the ease of use, strong tax automation, and helpful HR features in a way that just fits the reality of managing cleaners and jobs all over town. So if you're tired of, second guessing your payroll, worrying about tax mistakes, or doing math late at night after, cleaning walkthroughs, Gusto can streamline that entire process and give you the peace of mind that things are being handled correctly. And if you want to see how it works in your own business, well, again, you can click right up here to create a free account and start testing it out for yourself. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about, what's best for your business, well, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below, and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.